Well, we made it to Las Vegas and we're starting day one, or I'm starting day one. Benny is in a convention today, but I am headed to the famous Las Vegas monorail. Gonna take the full monorail circuit, see what I can see along the way. And also we're gonna head to the convention center and see if we can do the Tesla tunnel, which is complimentary, free ride, and Tesla cars underneath the city of Vegas. So let's go. Well, anybody that knows me knows that I love the movie Showgirls, and I'm standing very close to a place that was in the movie with Elizabeth Berkley. It was right across the street from here. This is the view they would have seen in the movie, and they would have been across the street over there in the medium, which I can't get to because of these pesky metal bars. Just wanted to share that. This is the view from the movie Showgirls with Elizabeth Berkley. Before we get to the monorail, since we're starting in Mandalay Bay, we're taking the free tram. The tram stops at different hotels like here at the Luxor. It is one way from Excalibur all the way to Mandalay Bay. And then on the way back from Mandalay Bay, it'll stop here at the Luxor. It'll stop again at Excalibur and then the final Excalibur station. It's a free ride. Once you get off the tram here at Excalibur, you head across the bridge over to the MGM Grand to get onto the monorail. Inside the MGM, there are no signs to get to the monorail, so you want to follow the signs to the district or the signature hotel, and then you'll see the monorail coming up on the right. You can buy your tickets right here at the ticket machines. The monorail ticket costs $13 for a 24-hour pass. You can also do a one-way trip or one-time trip for $5. It's not bad.
You always chase the divine.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear. Spaceman's out here on his own.
I don't know where to go. Calling out to ground control. Take me back, bring me home. Don't leave me here all alone. I don't know where to go. So calling out to ground control. Dark out here, complete unknown. Spaceman's out here on his own again.
So I just got off the monorail. I'm here at the convention center, which doesn't look... I'm here at the convention center, which doesn't look like it has much going on today. I'm not sure there's going to be much hope to ride the Tesla tunnel. Just talked to that nice security guy riding away on a bicycle. Yeah, since there's nothing happening at the convention center, the Tesla tunnel is not operating. So you'll just have to Google that or YouTube that on your own. I'm sure there's other videos better than mine. But next time I'm in Vegas, I'm gonna give it a try. Headed back to the monorail, and we're going to the Sahara Resort. What I really want to know is, where do they park all those Teslas when they're not running? They're not out here.
Chưa bao lang tháng let mình em chờ đợi vài ba dòng tin nhắn nói với em rằng tình mình vấn đề để rồi nhận ra trong bao ngày qua em chỉ là nghĩ cho mình chẳng quan tâm để anh phải bao buồn đau.
So the monorails run 19 hours a day up and down the back of the strip, really. Just want to point out the building behind me. That's the monorail maintenance facility. So if you've ever wanted to see that, that's where it is. Yeah, the Las Vegas monorail is really efficient. It's a great way to get around, and it runs every 9 minutes right now. I don't know if they add this train, if it's going to reduce that wait time, but right now they're operating every 9 minutes. And if they added this train, I think it would be even less than 9 minutes per train. So we're headed into the Sahara, Las Vegas. Never been here before. It used to be the SLS Hotel, and then it was a W Hotel, and now it's the Sahara. So let's go check that out. I noticed a lot of the restaurants here at the Sahara are closed for lunch. So if you're looking for lunchtime action, this is not the place for you. But if you're really hungry, they do have this. I absolutely love these retro photos that are here at the Sahara. Really cool stuff. Look at that. Well, I'm on the unsavory side of the strip, past the Elvis Wedding Chapel. That's fun. But I decided to walk from Sahara over here, see the new Las Vegas Gateway. We're about to get back on the monorail again. The Sahara Hotel is really nice. Just like I said, there's not a lot of food options for lunch, but an abundance of food options for dinner. Jose Andres has a restaurant there called Bazaar Meat, which is supposed to be really fantastic. Monorail brought me here to the Linq, which is a great promenade full of restaurants and shops. I'm headed over here to In-N-Out Burger. We're gonna have a burger. Oh, and there's some zip liners going overhead. Yeah, so don't hate me. I didn't do animal style. I just did a regular double-double. And there's a bunch of trash on the table. So the great thing about the Linq Promenade and the monorail is you can get off at Harrah's or the Flamingo. Right now I'm at the Flamingo, and on the walkway over to the station you get this amazing view of the pool area at the Flamingo. Yes, look at all that fun, skin, and sun. So here comes the monorail again every 9 minutes. We're headed back to MGM. Well, that does it for this look at the Las Vegas monorail, and I hope you enjoyed riding along and taking a few stops with me. If you haven't considered subscribing to my channel, please do so. It costs nothing. Other than that, if you don't want to subscribe, just give me a like. And that does it from Las Vegas. Thanks for watching.